Well, because I'm either too lazy or too cheap to go buy a real tiller, that little cultivator just did 6-inch strip there, down right up to there. So that 6-inch, I guess, strip, and pretty deep. You guys like that, I think? But the idea is to do this entire area in different rows, kind of like that. Maybe we'll screen through it, hey?
Maybe not.
But I think we're going to have to break up the ground at least with a shovel before we try it, because I'm going to burn that machine out. The tiller head's only 150 bucks to replace. That one's from the 1980s. That guy I bought just 2 years ago, brand new. So I wish I had a throttle limiter, because it doesn't need the skyrocket. Like half throttle is plenty to turn those blades. But we'll see what happens. Okay, so you're paying attention enough to learn? Keep it going. Go. Just drags them. Deeper. And you're meant to, that I already did. You got to start there. Watch the exhaust doesn't burn you holding it on that side. No, the exhaust is against them. You'll know if it starts getting warm. The machine has a fair bit of power to pull. If it blows up, it's only 100 bucks or 120 bucks for a new motor. You know, I don't think we're going to have to haul in as much dirt as we think, because that's pretty dark already. It only gets sand down after the 6-inch mark. Logan, let it idle. You're meant to be doing here. I already did all that. Yeah, start there. Look at his arm. He's like, oh. You got it jammed up with twigs by the looks of it. Well, I got this tiller here that doesn't have a proper guide on it. I think I'm going to try sparking that up. I got a couple parts engines, see what happens with that. I also got another one. Is it back here? Yeah. This one I already know needs fuel lines, that little guy there. But I'm going to play around and see if I can get this one going. Such an oldie, but, you know, might be a good oldie. We'll see. See what happens. Hey! I see Chip! Chip! I see Chip. Where's Dale? I just seen Chip. Now do you see Dale? Look, up on the board. Throw a piece of apple. Just take a bite and throw it up there for him. Just throw it there. See if he goes and gets it. Whoa, you almost killed him. She almost killed Chip. What? She almost killed Chip. She threw a chunk of apple at it and like literally smacked him. All the way over there. Well, let's see what we can do with this thing. Okay, well, first thing I did is tried to unscrew the oil checker. You just normally push this down. If oil fills in, it's good, and it shattered right off. So we're going to see what happens. Well, I just did a little searching. This one here, the carburetor's the same, so I'll borrow the carbon muffler off that one, and we'll go from there. So I think that's going to be our best bet. Oh, you like the Aspen feel, don't you? He's like, what? Ah, I smoke! So, it's working pretty good, as you guys can see. Just taking a smoke break, just waiting for a lighter delivery. But yeah, it's working pretty good. And I mean, it's working the shit out of that poor Ryobi two-stroker, but it is working good.
This would be that stuff.
That one would be. So these are little tiny shitty things here. But it's a 43cc. Handlebar looks to be in the highest position. And it's borderline tall enough. But it's about the same size as the one I have. This one has the wheels that you just remove when you're using it most of the time. But they were on sale for $199, these guys. And of course they got the bigger ones, but that's a lot more money. Like, I think this one here is like $700. That one there's like $800. That one there's $1,300. So, yeah. Yeah. So this guy here has rear drive wheels. $699. And it's
This one's $579.
yeah, that one there's $579. But this one here, you manually got to push it. It's not drive. Like this one here has the power at least going to the wheels.
The tongs pull you on this one.
Yeah.
That one's a better digger, guaranteed.
Well, it'd be way easier to use.
Yeah.
So, and they got the carts I was
I
looking.
just don't like the wheels on it.
Yeah.
I don't think those wheels would be any good.
$289 for these guys. That's a little more than I'd want to spend on them.
It's Rubbermaid, that's why you're paying for the name.
Yeah. And then this one was a Husqvarna, so it's going to be pricey. $649 actually is not bad for a brand name one. That's for sure. This one's going to be like $1,300. Yeah.
And that one is.
Well, this is the Princess Auto plate compactor. I'm actually just putting up the first video on it here. So anyway, 208cc. Yep, same model as I got. But there you go. They say 344 pounds right there, and it's 100 pounds less than that. That's kind of a disappointment, in my opinion. I'm wondering now the rest of the specs here. Yes, I'm kind of holding this and kind of shaking. Okay, well, maybe I had too much caffeine this morning. Okay, sue me. Anyway, I'm just wondering if it's going to work at my house or if I should even return it. As you guys seen in the last video, I didn't even use it yet at my dad's house. It's going to be easier to show you if I do this here. Zoom in. These nuts right here, both of them blew off in the first time I used it, which makes a horrible shrieking noise when this starts rubbing. The throttle control, I push it all the way forward and it slowly vibrates itself back so many times. It's just, that's kind of a bad thing, but I'm sure that's going to be a simple fix. I'm not too worried about that. But again, I'm still kind of wondering on this thing. I haven't even used it. I literally, you guys will see in this video here, I used it for a few minutes. But again, I'm posting this video I'm posting today, which is, what is it? May 3rd, I think. Yeah, May 3rd. So this rest of the second part video hopefully will happen today because it's actually raining outside. I'll see when I get to my dad's. Wow, so much hoard. I'm just deciding what I need to bring to my house for this weekend. Ooh, I probably got the electric starter for that old Tecumseh there. Not that I need that or anything, but wait a minute. That's a 12-volt starter. That might fit my generator. I'm sure I got the electric starter for that somewhere. A couple diesel engines sitting down there. There's, I think, 2 of them, one up there. Oh, so much hoard, so much hoard. But what I need is a drain cap for the oil for that tiller, because I might still try to get that one going. Those are both 2 horses. How many horses was that tiller engine? I think it was I just heard that fart. Proxy. Anyway, I thought I had a spare 5 horsepower bottom shaft engine here from that little tiny go-kart, but I don't happen to see it. Did I throw away that engine? I wonder if it's back in there. Got lots of Sears tractor parts, and I actually might be picking up one this weekend. A guy has one for 250 beans. But at the same time, I'm just looking for parts. I know I got lots of parts in here. Oh, now that's a cool race trailer. I need that. Holy frig, eh? Check that guy out. Oh my god, someone's more excited than me to go get something for the yard here. Well, I'll have to show you guys when I get it, but I just got the trailer hooked up here and just checking all the lights. They're all doing good, and yeah, we're out of here. Only a couple hours to do it, but got some other stuff to do when we get into the city. But I don't know. Have to see from there. Proxy, you be good. Okay, so let's go pick up this project, you could say.